So there is said to be a new selection policy in West Indies cricket. No more designated selectors with the responsibility to be shifted to the coach of the team. Now, in principle, I like this. It should have happened a long time ago. It was always ridiculous that one set of people select the players for a separate coach to coach and a separate captain to captain. It always seemed more sensible that the person or persons working directly with the players should select the players, as is done in almost every other sport. So again, in principle, Cricket West Indies got this one right. Now I keep saying in principle because the West Indies really don't have a selection problem. It's not like we have super talented players who should be selected and are not being selected. So the style and mode of selection is fundamentally irrelevant. What we have is a player pool, player quality, and player commitment problem. Team selection cannot solve those problems.